Hello students, welcome you back. So today we are going to discuss question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, we can see equilateral triangle ABC. D is a point on side BC. You can see D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So B is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So this BD is equal to 1 by 3 of total BC. Now prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Okay, 9AD square, this AD square equal to 7 into AB square, this AB square. Okay, so let's prove. Okay, it's a very nice and beautiful question. So let's try to understand it. Here it is given that D is a point on side BC so that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. This is already have told. Now it is told that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so let each side be A. All the side will be A. AB equal to BC equal to AC will be A, and AE be its altitude. We have to draw one thing, constant one thing, AE. Let AE be the altitude. Okay, na? So now BE equal to EC. Here you can see BE equal to EC, isn't it? Yes. Equal to BC by 2. So BE is same as BC, and which is half of BC because AE is the altitude, okay, of triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle. Therefore BE must be EC, which is half of BC. So BE equal to EC equal to BC by 2, which is A by 2. Why? Because we have assumed all the sides as A. Okay, A by 2. Now we have to find the value of AE because this is the altitude. Now AE equal to A into root 3 by 2. Why? Okay, you can write it directly, otherwise you can prove it here. Okay, I am proving it for you. Why A equal to root 3 by 2. So here AC equal to A, EC equal to A by 2, isn't it? Now we have to find the value of A. So AEC triangle AEC is a right angle triangle. So AE square must be equal to AC square minus EC square, implies AE square will be equal to AC value of AC is A square minus EC value is A by 2 square, implies AE square will be equal to A square minus A square by 4, implies AE square will be equal to, and it will be 4 A square 3A square, so 4A square minus A square, it will be 3A square. Now implies AE will be equal to root over of 3A square by 4, which will be equal to root over of 3 will be root 3, root over of 4 will be 2, root 3 by 2, A square root over is A. So it will be root 3 by 2 A. That is what we have written here, A into root 3 by 2. You can prove it here also like this, or you can directly write it. Okay. So now, 1 second. Okay. So now, given that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC, here you can see BD equal to 1 by 3 of total BC. Now BD equal to 1 by 3 of A because BC value of BC. All the sides are A, now we have assumed all the sides as A. Therefore BD will be equal to 1 by 3 of A, which is equal to A by 3, you can say also. 1 by 3, A is equal to A by 3, na? So which is equal to A by 3. Now again we will move to DE. We need this. Okay. Now DE is equal to BE minus BD. DE equal to BE minus BD. Okay na? Are you getting my point now? DE equal to BE minus BD, that will be equal to DE. So BE minus BD, which will be equal to B, value of BE is A by 2, A by 2 you can write, value of BD, BD is equal to A by 3, okay, it is given to us, so A by 2 minus A by 3 is equal to A by 6, so value of DE is equal to A by 6, so we got DE, this DE equal to A by 6, remember it, D equal to A by 6. Now we have almost solved the question. Now we will directly move to Pythagoras theorem of triangle ADE. ADE, this triangle. Now in this triangle, AD square equal to what? AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. Okay. I hope you have understood up to this. AD square equal to AE square plus DE square. Now let's move downwards. So here up to, we have reached up to here, AD square equal to AE square plus DE square. Now AD square will be equal to, what is the value of AE square? AE square was, remember, A into root 3 by 2, if you remember, A into root 3 by 2 whole square, plus DE, we have just found DE equal to A by 6, A by 6 whole square of A by 6, which will be equal to A root 3 by 2, isn't it? Now square it, root 3 square is 3, A square is A square, 2 square is 4, we have just written that. Here A square by 6 square is 36, now we have this 3A square divided by 4 plus A square divided by 36. Now add both of them, the LCM is 36 and here it will be 28A square. Now cancel them out, you can see it can be cancelled by what? 4, na? 4 7 are 28, 4 9 are 36, so 7 by 9 AB square. Okay, now AD square equal to 7 by 9 AB square. Now you cross multiply, 9 will be multiplied to here. Okay, so 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Okay, so thank you.